Welcome in, take your seats, class is in session. Today you'll be learning how to clean your meat the Haitian way. You will be needing distilled white vinegar, some salt, sour orange, and tons of lime. Go ahead and place all of your meat in a bowl and be sure that you are using only fresh lime juice. Definitely will side eye you if you're using pre-squeezed lime juice. But if you absolutely can't get your hands on any fresh, then that's the alternative. Now, it's imperative to use a grand amount of citrus not only to properly clean the meat, but to also ensure that you're delivering the bright and expressive flavors that Haitian food is known for. Don't worry about the seeds, I took them out. Now you're going to let this mixture sit for 40 minutes to an hour, or even longer if you need to. Hear me out, I used to do 10 minutes and probably 3 lime, but it honestly does a disservice. Try this out and you won't regret it. Bathe it in that vinegar and submerge the rest in water. Then add your salt. This is the only salt that I use to clean my meat. I do not use it for the cooking. Now I'm going to use these parts of the lime to scrub each rib. And this is why Haitian food is truly a labor of love and why our food stands out the way it does. Now this is how I do things in my household. Take the meat, spit out the bone. Class is dismissed. Let me know what you want to see next in the comment section down below. From my household to yours. God bless. Stay safe. Bye.